Alright, now it's recording. What? What?
What do we have to raise?
The spunky ass one.
Yeah, funky ass one?
Yeah. Chris, if you would like to say a message to your girl.
What?
If you would like to say a message. It is now recording.
Ariel, you should hear what my friends say about you. That's all I gotta say.
Yo, beautiful job.
Go right back. That wasn't good.
Oh, shit. Not good through there. Shake it back, get back. Watch out, watch out.
Are you serious?
There's
Just shot two guys.
Oh, those were...
No, they were green. I saw green.
Go in, you're good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we got the flag. That was fucking fast. Yo, guys this way, right there.
I tell you, 10 rounds.
They're right around the corner. You can see the shadows.
Guy right there. Yeah, that makes like such a cool noise. It's like a popping noise. How did we get over here so fast?
I got you, both. What about the U.S. Army Rangers?
I don't have a shot. They're too focused on this area.
Hey, I got the strobe over here. Yep. What team? Scott, look over the fence.
Yo, are they even over
Huh?
there anymore?
This guy's like way over there.
Yeah, he's over there. They're just gonna keep coming back.
Huh.
Stay back here. Unless like we get them all out.
Did we get the flag?
I got it, yeah.
Alright.
There's a rip over there.
Is that the ref shooting at us?
No, there's a rip over there.
Carl.
Yo, Lee.
No, because what if my battery dies?
I'm gonna move up.
Yo, Lee. You want to go around?
My battery's dead.
Oh. Well.
Can I borrow your pistol?
Yeah.
Damn, dude, RJ got in that kid's face.
I got an extra mag with it. I'll give you the extra mag. It's already loaded. It's good. Safety though.
I mean, what, you out? No, my battery's out.
Let's go around that way. You hit? Oh, hello. Wait, what? Who is that? I think that's enemy. We'll move up. Nah, I don't want to get stuck in the hallway.
I saw.
Come on! You guys gonna move up?
Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? We should have let that shit up.
No camera, right?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Go.
What team? Yellow?
Yellow.
Get busted right through the fucking wall.
They're gonna probably pop out the microphone.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, there's a kid in there.
Let's go.
I'm gonna go back to the left side. Yeah. Excuse me, my kind sir.
Let's have a flank. Go to the outside.
What's going on?
Don't give me a couple. So where's it?
Aim down your...
Wait. Do you forget? Go again.
Damn, yo.
No, wait.
The kid's like hiding behind the ref and I don't want to shoot the ref.
Where's the ref? Right next.
He's like literally right in front of me.
Yeah, same.
Does anyone want to come with me, right?
Yeah, I'll go with you, right? And you're on YouTube.
This isn't very productive.
You're on YouTube. Thanks.
Yo! You going right with us?
Yeah, I'm gonna go right.
Alright. Let's go, Lee. Go back. Back.
Yeah, but like, so like, he's like reaching up and I'm like,
Move up.
That was enemy, right?
Yeah, I shot the enemy. He had an axe on him. Okay. Yo, the guy had an axe on him.
I'm gonna go under the bridge.
Wait, come on. We'll go across the bridge.
You're not going across the bridge.
Let's go.
They're lighting it up, Scott.
Well, they're all like, okay.
Where is he?
Guys, he's like right there.
Right in that building?
No, look, he's around us.
Oh.
Yes, he's behind that fence.
What'd you say?
Alright, yours is
That's a lot of shit.
Yeah, buddy.
Well,
Where we going? Shit. Get the fuck back. You get hit?
no, I didn't get hit.
Do we see how the flag?
They're in our base, to the left.
Well, we got guys. Oh, fuck.